So can you tell us a little bit about your robot and your strategy?
All right, so our initial strategy was to build a map of the playing field using the barcodes, to read the barcodes and build a graph to determine where to go next and where it's been, where it hasn't been. But we never actually got to implement the barcode mapping system just because we didn't have enough time. It was too deep. So what we do now is we just kind of use the barcodes as a reference so we don't keep going back to the same place every time. And we use, we alternate between the barcode navigation and a random walk and sees a ball that goes after the ball. There's bump sensors all over the front and turns whenever.
So is it a true random walk, or does it do like a wall following or anything like that?
It's basically a true random walk. If it doesn't see any balls or barcodes, it just goes straight until it sees a wall and then it turns away from the wall. So it's sort of like a fear of walls, you might call it.
So your spinner on the front looks pretty interesting. Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, so that was designed by Juan. It uses zip ties to pick up the ball, and it should be going up.
So those teeth are actually zip ties?
Yeah, the teeth are zip ties, and I don't know what it's doing. It's just missing the ball, I guess. Yeah, I wonder if the IR sensors are acting up. There we go. The way the code is designed is it goes around looking for balls for the first 2.5 minutes. If it sees a goal, it basically ignores it. And then after that, it sees a goal, it tries to score. But I didn't have that much time to test the actual score, and so I'm not extremely confident of that.
So it's aligning itself to the ball right now?
Yes, it's aligning itself to the ball, and it's having a little trouble because the IR sensors are registering because it's getting a little too close to the walls.
So what do you mean by that?
We have an IR sensor in the front and 2 on the corners. So if the front IR sensor registers, then it backs up. And if the corner IR sensors register, then it turns. So that's why you see it backing up and turning a lot. It's probably because the sensors are registering. Like there, notice the right bump sensor, so it turned left.
Is it going for that goal?
It might be. I don't know. It probably is actually. Yeah, it probably what happened is the goal got out of camera range and it lost it.
It seems like a general problem a lot of teams have this year is things falling out of camera range. Did you think of any solutions to maybe avoid that?
Just because of the way our ball collector was designed, we couldn't have the camera where we had it on our peg box, which was lower. Our peg box, which we used for testing for the first 2 weeks, things weren't falling out of camera range, and then we had to make the camera higher, and things were falling out of camera range, and we never really got that good a solution to it. The other thing is I hope it stops after 5 minutes. I never actually tested that. We just didn't have time at the end to do a full 5-minute run.
Right, and if the teams don't stop after 5 minutes, they get a 3-point penalty, unfortunately. Although no team